In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name of the free Webflow domain. First, open your Webflow project. If you're inside the designer, look toward the top left and head back to your dashboard. You can use the main menu or the Webflow logo to get there. In the dashboard, find the project you want to update and open its site settings. That's usually the small gear icon on your site's card. Inside Site Settings, move to the Publishing area. You might see options for adding a custom domain, which is great for later, but today we're focusing on the free Webflow staging domain that ends in webflow.io. If you land on a section about custom domains, simply switch over to the webflow.io or staging domain section. This is where you'll change the subdomain that appears before webflow.io. Next to your current webflow.io address, click the Edit control, typically a pencil icon or an edit button. In the field that appears, type the new subdomain you want. Keep it short, memorable, and clean. Use lowercase letters and hyphens only. Avoid spaces and special characters, and choose something that reflects your brand or project. Webflow will check availability right away. If the name is already taken, try a simple variation, like adding a short word or a hyphen. When the name is available, confirm your change to save it. If you see an option to set your webflow.io domain as the default publishing target, make sure it's selected. This helps ensure your next publish goes to the correct address. A quick note to help you avoid confusion. Adding a custom domain isn't required to rename your free webflow.io address, and you don't need any DNS changes for the staging domain. Your update applies inside Webflow itself. After saving the new subdomain, return to your project or the main dashboard. Give it a moment if needed. Changes usually apply quickly. If you don't immediately see the new URL live, publish your site to the selected domain from the designer or the dashboard, then open the new address in your browser to confirm everything looks right. 2 final tips. First, once you change the subdomain, the old webflow.io link will no longer point to your site, so update bookmarks, shared links, and any embeds. Second, keep the name consistent with your brand, so it's easy to remember and share while you're still on a free plan. And that's it. Your free Webflow domain